today I just want to talk about motivation, because it's one of the most common questions that I get from you guys. It's about motivation. How do you get yourself motivated to start an exercise program? How do you get yourself motivated to eat healthy, and how you keep consistent with it? So, motivation, in my opinion, is not always the problem, because we all have reasons. Why do we want to look healthy? Why do we want to look fit? Why do we want to be slim and feel fit and full of energy? There is always a reason for that. We all have our own desires why to be that way. But if you know the reasons why you want to be that way, but you still have a problem keeping consistent, and you feel like you have to be pushing yourself into working out, you feel like you have to be pushing yourself into eating healthy, then the problem is more in your beliefs. Then you must believe that maybe you're giving up something incredible by not eating greasy pizza and French fries. Maybe you're feeling like if you are not gonna have, I don't know, I'm just trying to think of some junk food right now. Maybe you believe that if you're not gonna have some kind of fast food that, and have salad instead, that you're just losing something. And that's the problem. You have to believe that eating healthy is what you want. You have to believe that there is nothing better than healthy food, whole food, veggies, greens, all of the stuff that it's good for you. You have to believe that that's exactly who you want to be, that's exactly what you want to do. You have to believe that that's something that you love doing. You love eating healthy. You have to believe that you love exercising, that you're really enjoying working out, and there is nothing better than being able to push through a workout, having the strength to do challenging exercises and things like that. There is nothing better than challenging yourself physically. So this is one thing that fit people who are leading healthy lifestyle. There is something that they have in common. They just love it. They believe that's the best thing they can do. They don't think that giving up on French fries I don't know what I'm saying today anymore. So they basically, people who are fit and who are keeping consistent, they really don't feel like they're giving up on something when they're not eating junk food, because they do want to eat healthy. It makes them happy to eat healthy. It makes them happy to exercise, and it's all based out of their beliefs. So you have to kind of change your mind about this whole thing. Are you the person who enjoys eating junk food and eating unhealthy? Are you the person who hates exercising? If you're that kind of person, you're gonna have a hard time to motivate yourself and change something about it. But if you tell yourself, no, I know I'm the person who loves exercising, I can be the person, maybe you're not there yet, but you have to start by saying, I can be that person. I can be the person who loves exercising. I can be the person who loves eating healthy. If you start with the word can, and you can gradually get to the point when you're gonna know in your heart that that's who you are, that's what you love to do, and then you're just gonna be that way, and it's gonna be super easy for you to stay consistent, because you're gonna have a new identity basically. So that's what I wanted to tell you guys for today. And tomorrow it's day number 17. It's your active rest day, and I'm gonna think of something else to talk about. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Ciao.